हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो देखो नाउ ये क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में है राइट। बहुत सारे बच्चों के दिमाग में है, सर आई एम अटेम्प्टिंग कैट फॉर द सेकंड टाइम और मे बी द थर्ड टाइम फोर्थ टाइम। व्हाट शुड बी द स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर समबडी हु इज अ रिपीटर, जिसने पहले कैट दे रखा है राइट। सो I'll take this opportunity to discuss some strategy and some mindset of a repeater जो होना चाहिए for CAT 2025. Why so? Because I believe I'm the right guy for this, because I had some backlogs in my graduation, and from backlogs to rank 3 in the entire country in the prestigious examination of GATE. So there was some gap that I filled. So I'll tell you the exact mindset that I had, and also I'll align that with your goal of CAT 2025. So it's very important for those who are attempting the paper for second or third time. उनके लिए सेशन काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड लास्ट में आई शेयर द प्लान ऑल्सो, द प्लान दैट यू नीड एक्चुअली, डे वाइज प्लान. आई एम गोना शेयर इट विथ यू. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू बी अवेयर ऑफ कि आर यू एक्चुअली अ रिपीटर. I mean, who is a repeater? Who should be categorized that हाँ he is a repeater? सर मैंने लास्ट ईयर भी प्रिपेयर किया था. आई स्कोर्ड सम 80 परसेंटाइल, 75 परसेंटाइल. सो टेक्निकली आई एम अ रिपीटर. नो, यू आर नॉट. देखो, टू बी एलिजिबल फॉर somebody who is called repeater, you should be having at least 85 percentile is what I believe. This is my personal opinion. Okay, I may be harsh, maybe whatever you may feel, but this video I'm not making to pamper you. So what I believe ki if you have scored in your previous attempts more than 85 percentile, you should consider yourself repeater. Sir, I've got 70 percentile and 75 percentile. Why I am not a repeater, sir? Why are you being so harsh? Because देखो, that is percentile, and there is huge difference between percentage and percentile. Okay. So percentage means कि आपने 70% मार्क्स स्कोर किया है, and sir I want to go to 95%. So you can work hard and you can paper easy आ गया and you can solve some more questions and go up to 80-90 percentage. But percentile is a whole different thing. 80 percentile से 90 percentile जाने के लिए you need 5 times more effort. 90 से 95 जाने के लिए you need 10 times more effort. Okay, these are the number of people you are ahead of. 80 percentile means you are ahead of 80% of the students who are attempting that examination. So percentile में in the later stages it's very difficult to fill the gap. Effort multifold हो जाता है. In fact, the data that would support my thing would be, suppose you are at 80 percentile. चेक करो ना, 80 परसेंटाइल पे हो आप, एंड यू नीड ओनली 44 मार्क्स लाइक ओवरऑल मार्क्स. दिस इज बेस्ड फॉर कैट 2024. व्हाट इज 44 मार्क्स? 44 मार्क्स इज 14-15 क्वेश्चंस. 14 क्वेश्चंस, 14-15 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ 66 क्वेश्चन. तो 14-15 क्वेश्चंस में वर्बल है, उसमें क्वांट है, उसमें DILR है. 14-15 तो हो जाते हैं विदाउट एनी प्रिपरेशन. A student who was average throughout his career, have not prepared for CAT any of the time, and at any point of time will sit in the paper and will get 14-15 correct. Okay, so to go to 90 percentile you have to score up to 60. 95 के लिए 70, 99 के लिए 95, like double the marks. You have to double the marks. For that you need to do 5 times more effort. So if you are having less than 85 percentile, आप भूल जाओ सब कुछ. Assume yourself as a fresher, and then this video is not for you. Fresher के लिए proper strategy होनी चाहिए, proper plan होना चाहिए. So I've created multiple videos and everybody is creating multiple videos. आप अब देखो and start preparing out accordingly. Okay, now assuming that you have worked hard in your previous attempts and secured somewhere around 92, 93, 94 percentile, and you want to jump up to 98, 99. You want to fill that gap. अब उसके लिए क्या करना है ना? The best part, I'm talking to those guys. The best part is कि now at this point you are aware of the topics at least. ठीक है. So आपको वो पूरा बेसिक्स में नहीं जाना है. Percentages, percent fraction क्या है? You are aware of what is percent fraction, right? You are aware of dilution method, removal and replacement का formula. You are aware of in circle, in radius, circumcenter का क्या formula होता है, centroid क्या होता है. You are aware of all the terms. Okay. So you know the entire terms at least, since you have scored 94-95 percentile. तो आपने कहीं ना कहीं प्रैक्टिस भी करी है. So at this point of time you need not to go into the basics again. All you need to do is to be consistent with your practice. Practice करो, practice questions, practice questions, practice questions, practice. Practice is the key. right? I'll not take much of your time. The other thing you need to do is you need to figure out your weak and stronger areas. Everybody has one favorite section out of three sections. किसी का quant strong है, somebody has got flair in verbal, somebody is very good with his analytical skills and DILR. So you have one stronger subject and maybe couple of stronger subjects, but not all three, because अगर तीनों भी अच्छे होते हैं, so the weaker subjects, weaker sections are the areas where you have gap, there is scope. So I would strongly recommend to make stronger subjects even stronger. I mean, practice stronger subjects on the alternate day, one half in the alternate day, divide your day in two half, and एक half में you practice your stronger subject and the weaker subjects on daily basis. Okay. Suppose you have VARC, doubt in VARC, read analysis on daily basis. Okay, you have a problem with DILR, solve two sets on daily basis. Can be consistent. Two sets a day is good enough. But karo. Okay. Now, since you have been preparing for a year now, I don't think you need some pampering. All you need is consistency and the relevant resources. So that's my next point. You need to find out the relevant resources. Okay, you need to find out what to solve from where to solve. If you have joined any crash course, just follow them blindly. If not, working on your own, follow the correct resources. You need to be very well aware of what I am solving right now, what I will be solving a month after. I mean, what mocks I will be taking, what provider I will be taking from Mr. A or Mr. B or Mr. C, or I will be taking all of them. In fact, for a repeater, mocks is a gem. I mean, वो खजाना है आपके लिए. Take mocks from multiple providers. If you have not taken classes, take mocks from multiple providers. Attempt mocks as much as you can and develop your own mock strategy. Develop your own mock strategy. It's very important. Mock strategy is what you need. Practice mocks and because there might be this case ki, sir, I'm familiar with the topics. If given section in free time, I do really good. But altogether 3 sections in a mock, I perform very bad. If given like the entire time, I can solve 15 questions in quant, but in the time limit of 40 minutes, I can only hardly attempt 7, 8. That might be the case. Mock strategy is what you need. And sir, you need to you need to spend proper time in analyzing those mocks. Okay. So what I'm saying ki, forget about Anu Sharma LOD 1, forget about all those basics. Prepare via mocks. And if you have enrolled in some good institute, prepare via the practice portal. Practice portal pe you have good questions, right? Sectional tests, mostly attempt sectional tests. Side by side, create a formula book as well. What if you have some new tricks, shortcut, some new formula? You have to maintain that. That is but obvious. You must have done that last year as well. So I'm not repeating the same thing again and again. There are some things that you are aware of, guys. One more important thing, that everybody's journey is different. किसी के पास 6 घंटे प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, किसी के पास 4 घंटे है, किसी की फैमिली बैकग्राउंड कुछ है, किसी का अपना स्ट्रगल है. डोंट जज योर प्रिपरेशन एंड डोंट कंपेयर योर प्रिपरेशन. Try and give your 100% and focus on achieving daily targets. Like I have a daily target of minimum 25 questions in quant. That should be the minimum target in quant. Ideally, your target should be 25 questions in quant and then 2 sets in DILR and at least 1 RC passage from verbal and other stuff like parajumble kabhi kar liya, kabhi fill in the blanks kar liya, kuch bhi kar liya, theek hai. But this should be your daily target. Be 100% dedicated to achieve your daily target. At any point of time, don't judge your preparation. Like judging your preparation will only bring negativity, because you have been doing this since last 1.5, 2 years or 2.5 years maybe. So this will only bring negativity, and that is something we don't want at this moment. So work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard. 3.5 months down the line, go and attempt the paper, and whatever is the result, accept it with both hands. But for the time being, don't think of something which is 3.5 months down the line. Abhi, what you have to do, you have to prepare for your daily targets. That's it. Be consistent with your targets. And last but not the least, if you are confused, join a crash course somewhere, anywhere you are comfortable with. I'm not saying join Testbook. Join anywhere you are comfortable with, because you need a mentor. Sometimes you are aware of the things, but you get lost. You need a mentor. Also, joining a crash course helps in finding out that others are not working, because students, they don't work actually. but you, since you are not in contact with them, तो आपको लगता है कि यार पूरी दुनिया पढ़ रही है, and you are in your own world procrastinating things. So if you join a crash course, so you'll find out कि यार there are 100 people like me, and none of them is working in the right direction. This motivates you actually. This is something which is the dark side of the preparation. Mentor helps you go through. Like mentor, immediately a good mentor who has got huge experience immediately figures out कि हाँ, what is the problem with the student, and he lets the students know कि हाँ बाबा देखो, you are actually there. Stay focused. Mentor helps you to stay focused, and mentor need not to be a faculty only. Mentor could be somebody from your family who has done this in past, maybe your senior, maybe your colleague, maybe your friend from somewhere. Okay, anybody who has gone through this entire rigorous process can help you with the thing. That's the thing. Still, if you are confused, guys, we are running this right now. We are running this Freedom Festival, and based for we are celebrating 79th Independence Day, wherein you can get the entire course for 6,999 only. 6,999 only, right? You get batches for crash cat. Right now we are having a crash course for cat. वो आपको मिल जाएगा 6,999 में. Not only that, batches for ZAT, NMAT, CMAT, everything. This is CAT and OMAT super pack. All the batches for CAT, basic batches, advanced batches, crash course batches, score booster batches. OMATs, all major management examinations will be taken care of in this particular price, 6,999. Also, if you subscribe today, right now we have this offer going on, which is the happy hour sale. If you subscribe on 15th of August, which is today, between 1 p.m. to 7 p.m., you stand a chance to win 20,000 rupees Amazon voucher coupon. Okay, in addition to the subscription, right? So if you are planning, if you are looking for something very real nice, which has rigorous classes, doubt sessions, mocks, guidance sessions, profiling, everything, we are here. We have all the tools that you need to prepare for a CAT 2025. Either you are a repeater or you are a fresher, for everybody. अब देखो, if you want a road map, चलो sir, I want to prepare on my own. You want a road map? So I have created a day-wise roadmap as well of 2 months, of 60 days, wherein I have discussed day-wise कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए. Since I take care of quant, so this sheet takes care of quant. But our fellow faculties, they have created the same for verbal and DILR, like the plan for verbal and DILR. My plan here, is of 60 days, wherein you cover the entire syllabus in detail with ample time given to mocks and revision. Everything is proper in this plan. So आप इस plan को follow कर सकते हैं. I'll ask my team to put the PDF in the description. From there you can download it. Okay, or else I'll put the entire thing on my official Telegram channel. The link of which is here. You can scan this QR code and you will reach to my official Telegram channel. On this channel, I'll put the PDF of the session of the plan. Also, you can reach me out through this official Telegram channel of mine. On this channel, I regularly post free classes for CAT 2025, free resources, free learning resources, all of them. And if you want to connect with me for any of the reasons, you can connect with me via this official Telegram channel. Okay. So this is it for this session, guys. Stay tuned to the channel because we come up with such informative videos again and again. Till then, have a great day ahead. This is Ashish Kumar signing off from this session. And do not forget, this is your career. Take charge of it. Till then, have a great day.